In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view 3D home tours in the Zillow app on iPhone. First, open the Zillow app on your iPhone. You'll land on the main screen where you can start your search. Tap the search bar at the top and type in the location you're interested in. This can be a city, a neighborhood, or a zip code. As you type, you'll see suggestions. You can pick one of those or finish typing and then tap search to load the results for that area. Once the results appear, look to the top right and tap filters. Filters help you narrow down listings so you're only seeing what you want. Scroll down through the options until you find the toggle labeled 3D Home or 3D Tours. Turn that on. This tells Zillow to show only properties that include an interactive 3D walkthrough, which is perfect for getting a sense of layout and space without an in-person visit. After you've turned on the 3D filter, tap See Results to apply your changes. Zillow will refresh and display homes in your chosen area that have 3D tours available. If you don't see many options, try widening your search area or clearing other filters you may have set previously. From the results list, tap a property that catches your eye. This opens the listing page with photos, details, and more. Look for a button or banner that says View 3D Tour or 3D Home and tap it. If you don't see that option on a particular listing, it likely doesn't include a 3D tour, so go back and choose another home from the filtered results. When the 3D tour opens, use your finger to swipe and drag on the screen to look around in all directions. This works like a virtual camera inside the room. You can often tap on circles or arrows on the floor to move from one spot to another, giving you a feel for the flow between rooms. Pinch with two fingers to zoom in or out if you want a closer look at finishes or fixtures. Some tours include a mini map or floor selector. If you see those, they're helpful for jumping between levels or rooms quickly. If the tour takes a moment to load, give it a second. High-resolution imagery can be data heavy, and a stable connection helps. That's all there is to it. Open Zillow, search your area, turn on the 3D home filter, apply the results, choose a property, and view the 3D tour. With these steps, you can explore homes more confidently and efficiently right from your iPhone.